In this video, I'll show you how to import a Twitter following list to Bluesky. Alright, as you can see here, here's a list of people that have been following on X. Now what we're going to do to transfer these is just by clicking on the extension icon right here at your Chrome browser or whatever it is on Firefox or other browsers. Alright, if you can't see it right here, just go ahead and click on the three dots or the three horizontal lines. Click on it and you'll see extensions, and just go ahead and click on visit web store. Alright, now in here, just look for Sky Follower Bridge. Right here, just click on it and hit on add to Brave or add to Firefox or add to Chrome. Alright, add extension, wait for the process to finish. Now, as you can see here, it has been added. Now let's go head over to our Bluesky account. In here, just head over to settings. Now go to privacy and security. In here, locate app passwords and click on it. Once done, just hit on add password. Alright, you can just rename this whatever you want. For example, sample. Hit on next and just copy the code right here or the password. Just hit on the copy button right here besides it. Copied. All right, as you can see here, we've just created the app password. Now what we're going to do next is just go back to the X following list, which is right here. Now in here, you should go ahead and go to extensions and open Sky Follower Bridge. Click on it. All right, as you can see here, it requires for a password. Just paste your password in here and just input your X handle or email right here. Well, once that's done, just hit on login and hit on find Bluesky users. All right, as you can see here, the X website loads, and as you can see, it is currently scanning right now. Now, if this extension doesn't work as intended, just click on X and do it again. Find Bluesky user. It's going to take some time, so I'm just going to stop scanning and view the results. And as you can see here, here are some of the people or pages that I've followed on X. I'm just going to hit on follow on Bluesky. And as you can see here, we are now following this particular channel to Bluesky. But hit on follow again. Now, when we go back to our Bluesky, right here, just delete this password, delete, and remove the extension, like so, remove. And when we go back to our home and go head over to profile, in following, as you can see, I've just followed these two right here from the X following list. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.